Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to introduce you how to open FDB01, our folding scooters. You need an opener or a knife that you first of all cut the tie up straps from here and then just cut here all the way. Then you can open up the box easily. This is an air carton on the top. We just open it to the sides, then lay down the carton. This way you can drag out the scooters. Hold the handlebars and then pull it out. Once we take out the scooter from box, first thing we need to take out the foot pad from here, in order that we can slide out the plastic of segregation of the battery. Simply just pull it out and then set the battery by pushing it right into the battery holder. This way we can put the pad back. Alright, right now we can take out the remote control from the user's menu back and the key out. Put the key in the keyhole here. We can open the scooter through the remote control, but first of all, make sure we touch the button here to the remote function to the up. Right now we can use the remote control. Keep on pressing the button of remote control to open the scooter right now. And then we can lift up the armrest on one side that allows us to access the scooter. Put the armrest back. Then we can touch the lever to back and front. Very simple and easy. Another way to unfold and fold the scooter, we can simply use the switch here. You need to switch the button here to manual operation and then keep on pressing fold. You can stop anywhere, but lift out your finger, or you can keep on the folding by touching the switch. Alright, now scooter is fully folded. We can put the seat back and then tow the scooter anywhere. There are two ways of charging the scooter. First of all, you need to take out the charger with a connecting plug here and then slide it in the hole here. This way you can directly charge to the power source at your home or anywhere. Or we can take out the battery by connecting the charging to here. That you can charge at home or anywhere by connecting to the power source. Simple and easy. That's the way how we open the scooter and the initial set up the scooter. We hope you enjoy the scooter. Thank you very much. We hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.